Good morning, children. Welcome to Narayana Live Classes. Today I am going to explain key of 29 June 2020 dated assignment solutions. This assignment contains the two Romans. First Roman has two sums and second Roman has one sum. Now the first Roman, simplify and solve the following linear equations. The first question is 3 into 5z minus 7, 3 into 5z minus 7, minus 2 into 9z minus 11, minus 2 into 9z minus 11, equal to 4 into 8z minus 13, equal to 4 into 8z minus 13, minus 17. This is the question. Solve this linear equation. Now to solve this linear equation, first we need to eliminate the brackets on left hand side and right hand side, both sides. To eliminate the brackets, multiply with the number which is outside the bracket. Okay. Here 3 into 5 side, 15z minus 3 into 7, 21. Now the second bracket, to eliminate the second bracket, multiply with minus 2. Minus 2 into 9z, 18z, minus 2 into minus 11 plus 22, equal to 4 into 8z, 32z, minus 4 13s, 52, and also minus 17 is there. Now all the variables will be transformed into that one side and the constants will be transformed into that another side. Here the variable terms are 15z minus 18z, and this minus 32z will put into left side of this equal to symbol, transform into the left side of this equal to symbol, become a minus 32z, minus 32z, equal to the constants we have in the right side, minus 52, minus 17, and this minus 21 will be transformed into the right side, plus 21, and this plus 22 will be transformed into the right side, minus 22. Now here see that in the left hand side, minus 18z minus 32z, 50z, 50 and minus 15. So when you simplify, we'll get that minus 35z equal to right hand side. So your minus 52 minus 17 minus 69, minus 69 and here minus 1, minus 70. When you simplify, positives and negatives. Now minus 35 is multiplied with z. After transform into the right side, it should be divided. Then z is equal to minus 70 by minus 35. Here minus minus cancel. 35 ones are 35 twos is equal to, we will get the plus 2. Therefore, z is equal to 2 is our required solution. This is the first sum solution. Now let me explain second one. Now in the first one and second question is 0.25 into 4f minus 3. 0.25 into 4f minus 3. Okay, equal to 0.05 into 0.05 into 10f minus 9. 10f minus 9. So here the variable is f. So to solve this linear equation, we need to find the value of the f value. Okay, see here. To eliminate the brackets in the both hand sides, multiply with 0.25. 0.25 into 4. 0.25 0.25 into 4 is equal to 1.00. So 1.00 is nothing but 1.0 will write the f, 1.0 f minus 0.25 into 3, 0.25, 25 3 is 75, we get 0.75 equal to 0.05 into 10. When multiply with 10, the decimal point moves right side to the one digit. Which means we'll give that 0.5f minus 9 into 0.5 equal to 0.45. Now all the variables will be transformed into the one side and the constants will be transformed into the another side. 1.0f, this 0.5f will be transformed into the left side, we get minus 0.5f is equal to this minus 0.75 will be transformed into the right side, we get the plus 0.75 minus we have the 0.5 on the right side. When you simplify 1.0 minus 0.f, 1.0 minus 0.5, so we'll get the 0.5 only. So 0.5f is equal to 0.75 minus 0.45 equal to 0.30, nothing but 0.3. Then f is equal to this 0.5 is multiplied with f. After transforming to the right side, it should be divided. So we get 0.3 by 0.5. This is nothing but 3 by 5. Also, we can write in the fractions in the decimals 5 6 0.6. Okay. Therefore, f is equal to 0.6 or 3 by 5 is our solution. This is the solution of the second sum. Now, let me explain second Roman sum. The second Roman sum is solve each of the following equation and also verify your solution also. Here question is 6.5x plus 6.5x plus 19.5x minus 32.5 by 2 equal to 6.5x plus 13 again plus 13x minus 26 by 2. This is the given linear equation. We need to solve this one first. Here we have the denominators. When we have the denominators, we know that multiply both sides multiply with their LCM. The denominator is 2, so it is better to multiply with the directly 2 all the times. So both sides multiply with 2. What you will get? 6.5x into 2, 13x plus here when multiply with 2, this 2 in denominator 2 will be cancelled, then remains 19.5x minus 32.5 only. So because the 2 into this one, the denominator will be cancelled. That purpose only we are multiplying with both sides 2. Okay, again 6.5x into 2 equal to 13x. Right should also multiply with 2 now. That's why 2 into 13 is 26 plus now multiply this term with 2 will get 13x minus 26. Now I got that there is no denominators clearly. Now what I will do, all the variables will be transformed into that one side and constants will be transformed into that another side. Which gives you 13x plus 19.5x, this minus 13x, and also we have one more 13x, that is minus 13x because transform it to the left side. So these are the variable terms 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 variable terms. Now constants. Here we have the constant will transform to the right side plus 32.5. Now already right hand side we have the plus 26 and minus 26. Now plus 26 minus 26 here cancel. Here minus 13x plus 13x will be cancelled. Now 19.5x minus 13x is equal to 19 minus 13 is equal to 6. So 6.5x equal to 32.5. Now 6.5 is multiplied with x. After transform it to the right side, it should be divided. Then x is equal to 32.5 by 6.5. Observe here, in the both numerator and denominator, after decimal point we have only one digit. So directly we can eliminate the decimals. So we can write the 32 325 by 65. Now 5 13s, 5 65s, and 13 ones, 13 5s is equal to 5. Therefore, x is equal to 5 is our solution. So this is the solution. Now for this question, we need to do the verification. So this is the solution. Now let us do the verification. Now verification. In the verification, first let us take that LHS. LHS. What is the LHS here? 6.5x plus 19.5x minus 32.5 by 2. So since I got the solution, x is equal to 5, we will substitute in this equation. So 6.5 into 5 plus 19.5 into 5 minus 32.5 by this one by 2. So 6.5 into 5, 5 is 25, 5 6 is 30 plus 2, 32, 32.5 plus 19.5 into 5, 5 5 is 25, 5 9s are 45 plus 2, 47, 5 1s are 5 plus 4, 9, 97.5 minus 32.5 by 2. Then what I will get? 32.5 plus 97.5 minus 32.5. 5 minus 5 is 0. 7 minus 2 is 5. 9 minus 3 is 6. 65.0 by 2. That is equal to 32.5 plus 65.50 means here again 2 3s are 2 2s are 32.5. 32.5. 32.5 plus 32.5, 64 plus 1, 65. So equal to 65. LHS I got the 65. Okay. Now let us find the verification with the RHS. What is the RHS here? See. RHS is equal to 6.5 into 5 plus 13 plus 13 into 5 minus 26 by 2. That is equal to 6.5 into 5 is equal to 32.5 plus 13 plus 13 5 is 65 minus 26 by 2. That is equal to 32.5 plus 13 plus 65 minus 26. 15 minus 6 is a 9 and 5 minus 2 is 3 by 2. So that is equal to 32.5 plus 13 plus 39 by 2. 2 ones are 2, 2 4, 2 nines are 18 and 5. Now 32.5, you see that 40, 51, 52 plus 13 is equal to, this total is equal to 65. So here LHS I got the 65, RHS I got the 65. So LHS is equal to RHS. Hence verified. Hence verified. This is the verification. Okay, children. These are the solutions of the assignment dated 29/6/2020. Thank you, children.